Hello guys, welcome to my channel Create Knowledge. In this video, I'll tell you how to make login and sign up page by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Here I have make login and sign up page and I have given the two options. Don't have account, sign up. Already have an account, sign in. And this is the sign in and this is sign up page. Now I am just going to giving you the demo. My username is admin. Now I put the wrong credential and wrong password and then and click on sign in. You see invalid username or password. Now I am putting the correct username and password. The correct username is admin and correct password is password. And then sign in and you see sign in successful. Now in sign up page I am now going to my sign up page. Here I have put the same credential. Username is admin, password is password, and then sign up. And you see, you get in sign up successful page. Here, sign in successful. You have successfully signed in and continue to dashboard. Okay. Now I am going to create this project. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Whenever you subscribe my channel, it will boost me for creating such interesting project for you. Please subscribe my channel. Now I am going to open my Visual Studio Code and write this program. Now I am going to open my first D drive. In my D drive, create a folder giving the folder name login HTML. Login HTML. Now close this my D drive. I am going to close my D drive and open Visual Studio Code. Here write open folder D drive login HTML. Select folder. Now I see my login HTML folder is open. Now here I am going to create three files. One index.html, file.css and script.js. Okay. Now I am going to write first code in my index.html. Now I am going to open my index.html. This is index.html. Here shift exclamation sign and enter. Now first I am giving the title login page. Going to giving the link of my style.css, link rel, style sheet, href, style.css. In body, div class, container wrapper, dot container wrapper and enter. This is div class container wrapper. And one more I am going to create here. Inside the wrapper, I am creating a div class container, and here, sorry, h1 tag, right here, login. And next, I am going to use form ID is equal to sign in form on submit sign in event. Okay. Next, now I am going to create another div class div dot form group Here I am going to write label for sign in username label for sign in username label and input type text ID sign in dash username and placeholder enter username required. And next again I am going to create a div class form group div.form group div class form group. I write label for sign in password. Here I am going to write label for sign in password, input type password ID sign in password placeholder enter your password. And next line I am going to write div.form group button type. I put a button type submit sign in button. Here I put a button type submit sign in button. Here I am going to write div.form switch div dot form switch. Now span don't have an account. Take href sign up form sign up don't have an account. A anchor tag href sign up form sign up. I'm going to close this one and going to write here div id sign in message. Now let me first check the output. Go to live and you see login, username, enter username, password, enter password, sign in, don't have an account, sign up. Don't have an account, sign up. Okay, fine. Now here write div id sign in message. Right here div id sign in message, class message, and div here. Now internal class is complete. Here I'm going to write div dot container, div class container id sign up form. Here I'm going to write div class container id sign up form. Here h1 tag I'll write sign up h1 to write sign up. Here write form id sign up dash form id form id sign up dash form on submit sign up event. Now here after that here I am going to create div class form group div dot form group, and now here write label for sign up username input type. Write here input type text id input type text id sign up username placeholder enter username. Div form group is I'm going to close this here. Now one more. Now I have to set the username and then password. So again I write here div dot form group label. Now I am going to set up the password. Here you write input type password id sign in password placeholder enter password. Going to close the div class. One more div class. One more I'll create here. Div dot form group. You write button type submit. Right here button type submit sign up button. Going to save the file. Save and see the output. Username enter password. This is a login. Username password. Enter username enter password. Sign in. Don't have account, sign up. Sign up page is there. Sign username, password, enter password, and enter username and sign up. Now here I write already have an account. I'm going to write here. I'm going to write div dot form switch. Right here div dot form switch span already have an account. Same I'm writing it. Already have an account. Earlier I write here. You see don't have an account. Now I've written already have an account. Then sign in as form. I put the div. Here I am going to write div id sign up message plus message div id signed up message class message. I have to close the div. Going to save the file, save and see the output. Username login is correct and sign up login and sign up as I have created. I am going to close minimize this one. Now I am going to now I am giving the link of my .js file. So I write here script src equal to src.js. This is src.js script.js and going to close it. I'm going to save it. Save and see the output. If any error is there or not. I'll go for style.css file. Here I write body curly bracket. Here I'll write font family. Okay. Next background color I'm taking white smoke. Now I have to set the images. Just going to minimize this one. Here I'm going to put the paste my image. I am having two images. I put them in my main folder. I put the two images and then close it and go to my. You see, I have put the two images. Now here see, I have the put the two image, one background image, one is successful image. So now here I am going to put the my images. I have to write background image URL. Here inside I put my image dot jpg, and then I have to write background size cover margin 0 pixel, and padding is 0, and going to save file, save, and see my output. Click here and you see this is my background image, this is login, this is sign up. Okay, now minimize this one. After body I'll write dot container wrapper, dot right here dot container wrapper, and inside this I am going to write display. I write display flex justified content center, align item center, and height is 100 VH, and save it and see the output. Now see here login and sign, it has come in center because I have written here align item center, justify content center. Now see the output, it came in the center. Now minimize this one. I am going to use dot container class container. I am going to write max width 200 pixel, padding 20 pixel, background color. Suppose I am check the color is blue, then what happened? You see, save to the output. It will color blue. But I don't like this one. So I want to make it in transparent. So I am going to change, in place of blue, I'll write transparent. Transparent, and border radius 5 pixel, 5 pixel, box shadow 0, 0, 10 pixel, and white. Now going to save it, save and see the output. See the output. Now I am not having any background color. It is transparent because it is looking something good. Minimizing it. After that, here I'll write container column first side, right, margin right, margin right 20 pixel. Now let me check it. File, save. Okay, good. And next, I'll use H1, class H1. Here I'll write text align center, center, color, color. I'm taking nice blue. Now let me check. Otherwise I've changed the color. File, save, see the output. Okay, fine. Its color is blue. I'm going to use dot form group. I write margin button 20 pixel, 20 pixel. Save it. Dot form group label, dot form group label. You go here and see dot form group label. Here I have used dot form group label is there. So now I'm going to writing code in dot form group label. Here display block. You write display block, and margin bottom 5 pixel. Now save it and see the output again. Okay, it is looking good. Image this one. Now I have to go right here, form dot form input type text and password, dot form password, and here you write I am taking 100%. Next, padding 10 pixel. Font size is 16 pixel. Border radius 5 pixel. And border is 1 pixel. 1 pixel solid black. Okay, now see the output. Save and see the output. Oh, it is black. Okay. Now I'll use dot from group button. Now I will use here dot as from group button. Here I write display black, display block 100%, link 10 pixel, font size 16 pixel, border radius 5 pixel, background color. Now I am taking background color green. You can change it, but I think it is green is okay. Background color I choose the green. One is white. Next one color, and next one border none, and next one cursor pointer, cursor pointer. Save it and see the output. Okay, cursor pointer is coming. Now you see here is color is, you see here I put the green and this color is white. This color is white. Sign in, sign up. After that I'll write, I'll use, here I'll write dot form group button hover, and here background color. Now I put the green background color. Now I write the green. Now see the output. Save. Okay. Next one. And after that I'll use dot form switch. Inside I'll write text align center. Text align center and margin top 20 pixel. In top 20 pixel. And save it. Okay, fine. Next I'm going to use form switch span. I'm going to use the span class. Here write color is Flora white, and font size 18 pixel. Font size 18 pixel. I'm going to use font switch A anchor tag. Here write color yellow and text decoration none. Text decoration. Next one I'm going to use message. I'm going to use the message class dot message. Here you write, going to write here margin top 20 pixel, margin top 20 pixel, padding 10 pixel, text align center, the radius 5 pixel, and then I'm going to save it. Save and see my project. Okay, it is looking good. And next one I have to use success class. Right here success background color blue violet and white color, and success page is white color, and error, for error I am going to use dot error. Here I am going to write background color, going to background color red, one is white color. Now my CSS is complete. I am going to save it and see my output, and you see it is looking good. This is login page, username, this is okay, sign in, sign up, okay. After that I have to go to write in my JavaScript file. Here I'll write function submit sign in event. Write here function submit and curly bracket. You write. Now I'm taking event prevent default. Right here event prevent default and var username is sign in username dot value. You write var username is document dot get element username and password. You have to write the same thing. Var password document dot get element sign in password and message element also there. So I write message element get element by ID sign in message. Now here I'll use if and else name if you write here if username is equal to admin and password is equal to password. I have said that my username is admin and I have said my password is password. So I write a message, show message, message element, success, sign in, successful. So I write here message. If username is equal to admin, password is equal to password, then show message, success, sign in successful. Or else, I write else, here I write show message error, message element, invalid username or password. The message, show message element error, invalid username or password. And next line I am going to write function submit sign up event. This is sign in event. Now I am going to write function submit sign up event. Right here function submit sign up. This one sign in, this one sign up. Here curly bracket. Here I am going to write event prevent default. Right here event prevent default. And same thing I have to repeat again. Same I am going to repeat here. Username is the document dot get element. Sign in username value password and I will set the message element. Message element pass kar diya. Now I am going to pass the message element and after that I have write here show message element success sign up successful. So you write a message here show message element success sign up successful and I will going to if I successful then it will go to my successful.html page. I am going to redirect to successful.html. Here I write, now write window.location.href is equal to successful.html. So I write here, it will go to next window location, hyperreference, sign up successful.html. One more I have to write here, that is function show message. Here you write function show message element class name and message. Function message element class name message. Here element dot text content is equal to message. Element dot text content is equal to message. And element dot class name you write here. Element dot class name is equal to message plus class name. And now I'm going to close this curly bracket. Now it has been completed and I'm going to save it. Now I have to create a successful sign up successful HTML page. Copy it I am going to copy this link, copy, and here just going to make a file, paste it, sign up successful.html file is created. Here I am going to write a code. So here I am redirect. If your credential is correct, then you will go to the successful sign up successful page. And I am going to write some code in sign up successful.html. Shift exclamatory sign, enter. I am going to write sign in successful. Here I am going to write style. Here I am giving the style. Here I am going to write style because I am not creating separate CSS file. And inside this HTML, here I am going to write the CSS code. Write body, font family, first color, I am set the white, background image, URL. Here I am going to write successful, WEVP, background size, cover. Otherwise it will go outside. That's why I put the cover. And margin 0 pixel. Margin is 0 and padding is 0. Padding is 0. Okay. If I save it, my background image is selected. It's fine. It is working. Now I have to put remark here. Here I am going to put the remark. You have successfully logged in. Okay. Now here container class dot container maximum width. I am taking 400 pixel, margin 100 pixel auto, padding 20 pixel, font size it should be font style. I am giving it oblique U. I am telling why it put the oblique U. And background color, you can choose any color. Suppose you select the background color is transparent. I am going to set background color transparent. Border radius 5 pixel. Border radius 5 pixel. Box shadow 0, 0, 10 pixel. Yellow. Text align center. Here I am right. After head I am going to use the body. After head I am going to use the body tag. Inside the body I will write div class container, div.container in h2, h1 tag I am going to write here. Sign in successful, h2 tag here write. You have successful sign in, div.button.container here write. I will use anchor tag. I am going to use sign up successful.html continue to dashboard. Here anchor tag I will use. Now I am going to save it. Save and see the result. Okay. Now I have to decode something. It is not clear. Now I have to write .h1 tag. Write here h1. Here I am going to write margin top 0. Margin top 0. And next one p tag. Here p tag is there, na? Now I am going to use .btn container. .btn container. Here I am going to write text align center and .btn container. And here you use .btn container A. Here you write display inline block padding 20 pixel padding is 10 pixel and 20 pixel. Font size is 20 pixel. After that, border radius 5 pixel. Background color, green. I'm going to use green. Text decoration, none. It is over. After that, I'll use hover dot btn container a dot hover. Here I'll use background color yellow green, green. Now going to save it. Save and then see the output. Oh, green yellow. Okay, fine. Now you see sign in successful. You have successfully signed in. Continue to dashboard. Now I'm going to close it and run on live. I'm going to open live server. Go live. Now I go to index.html and go to live. Here I am going to write. I have said the username is admin and password is password. Now I will write something else. Gopal and password and sign in. You see invalid username and password. That means I have used the wrong username. Actual username is admin. Now I am going to change it. Admin and password is password. Okay, and then sign in. You see, sign in successful. Now here I am going to write the same credential. Admin is my username, password is password, and then sign up. And you see, sign in successful. You have successfully signed in. Now go continue to dashboard. If you want to make a website, then you have to go your dashboard and make the program. Now I think you have understand how to create login page, login, sign up page. In sign in and sign up, don't have account, then you have to sign up. Already have an account, then sign in. Now I have also shown you, if you put the wrong credential, then it will say invalid username password. If you write the correct in credential, then it will show the successful login. Now again I will show you. Admin is my username. Now I am going to put the password is something wrong. And you sign in, invalid username or password. If I write the correct password is password, then sign in successful. Because you see here username is equal to admin and password is equal to password. Here you can change your username and password as per your choice. But here I am used password is password, username is admin. You can change it as per your choice. And you also change the color, but you can choose the color or background as per your interest. You can change the color and you can change the background image. I am taking the background image also. In this image you can change. So I think now you have understand how to make login page by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Thanks.